Spaghetti Fest!
Hey, good afternoon everybody. It's Ned over My Philippine Dreams, and today is May 26, 2019, the first day of the rest of our lives. We are at McDonald's to do a Spaghetti Fest. We're going to do 180 meals today. I already got my crew here. Across from me is the one, the only, Bud Brown. Hey! And we got Jun Jun. And we got our volunteer squad, Chiche and Leia, and Dai. And we have over here the rest of our volunteer squad. This is the rest of our volunteer crew. Because as a foreigner, I'm not allowed to do any type of work. So we're gonna get this done. We're ordering food for all of our workers. And we'll be taking the first order about 1 o'clock and bringing it down to Tinago and dispersing it. I'm gonna do my proof of fund expenditure video so people don't think I'm taking all this Patreon money and pocketing it. So come along and check it out. It should be a fun time. Don't film me, I'm doing nothing. Kanos aren't allowed to work in the Philippines. We're sitting over here, they do all the work. Workers, working hard. Working hard, my volunteers. So, thank you Patreon. Thank you Patreon. They don't know what Patreon is. Okay, thank you Patreon. Alright. Everybody loves spaghetti, man. Spaghetti and ice cream makes the world go round. And puppies. Man, my hard-working crew is still at it. Ah, thank you, thank you. Okay, don't tell Ate not to say thank you. Yeah. No, thanks me. Not the white savior. This is thanks to Patreon, not thanks Ned. Okay, so that about wraps it up. Special thanks to Leia and Chichi and to all of our volunteers, Jun Jun, Yui, Nano, Yui, everybody, Nikki, Nano, and all that. Also thanks to Sunny's for letting them park. Sunny's electrical needs in Dumaguete City come to Sunny's. Thank them for letting us set up in front of their place. And things are coming to a head here. And we gave out 199 meals to folks down in Tinago, which is just south of Dumaguete City proper. We do this every couple months. I use all the money that I get from Patreon. I get about $105 a month off Patreon. So this comes out to, I don't know, it's over 200 bucks. So every couple months we do this. And it's a good time. And it's just our way to give back for that which has been given to us here in Dumaguete City, the city of gentle people, except when they're driving. Until next time, this is Ned over My Philippine Dreams, and I'll see you later. Yui, unsa imong problema? Wala? I think you have problem. Dili ko mangitagaway, pero gusto ka, walay problema. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, they get chicken face. Hey, asa sa manok? Asa sa manok? Where's the chicken?
Where's the chicken?
The chicken you stole those legs from. You've got chicken legs. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.